Total physical response is an interactive and engaging way to teach language for beginner-level students and to learn new vocabulary and concepts in a new language. It pairs the target language with physical movement, gestures, and visuals to help students remember words and phrases. It can be used in large or small classes and works well with mixed ability groups. It doesn't require a lot of preparation or materials. It's very effective with teenagers and young learners and involves both left and right-brained learning.
I act out everything. Even at the beginning of the year, if you want them to know what is sit on the chair, you have to grab the chair, sit on the chair, and repeat that many times.
TPR is modeled after how students first learn their native language. Parents use language and physical cues together to communicate to their child. Mom says, apple, then points to the apple. Mom says, eat an apple, then takes a bite of the apple. Mom says, grab the apple, and models how to pick it up. Children use their parents' verbal and non-verbal cues to understand the meaning of language, and TPR in a classroom is modeled after this. Staying in the target language is important for language learning, so we use TPR to show students what they need to do rather than translating to English. We may say, get in line in Spanish, ponte en línea, then point to the line and model how to wait in line ourselves, rather than say, get in line in Spanish, then in our native language. Students are therefore able to make out the meaning of language by looking from the contextual nonverbal cues. TPR can be used in a variety of ways. A great way to engage students is with games and activities such as singing songs, playing charades, acting out a scene, and storytelling. We may be delivering a unit on animals. After, we introduce the different animals by pairing the vocabulary with images. Our class will play a game of charades in small groups. Give each student an animal to act out and ask the others to guess which animal it is, using their new vocabulary. Sing songs with students related to the material and have them act out what is happening in the song. Tell a story with the new vocabulary and have students draw what is happening. Or have students stand up and act out what is occurring in the story.
I just add my energy. I even use games that we did when we were kids, and I just adjust the learning part to those games, like hot potato.
Let's take, for instance, the game Simon Says. It's easy to use this as a repetition game, but here's another way of playing it. So if we declare Simon says, eat an apple, students should respond by mimicking the action. But if an instruction is not prefixed with Simon says, and the students nevertheless mimic the action, they are out of the game. Total physical response is a great way for beginner-level students to learn a target language by pairing language with visuals and non-verbal behavior.